Never in a million years would Mike walk away from his child.
Wait a minute.
Wendy's family and get consent to search his property.
My hair is green.
From the GPS.
Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I don't want you.
Alright, as you guys can tell by the title, I am using the Ion Color Brilliance Bright Collection Semi-Permanent, and it's the color Aqua. And I'm going to dye my Skunk Stripe. So for the semi-permanent, you don't need any developer for this. You just apply it, and I think you might need to apply it every like 4 to 6 weeks to keep the color, because it will fade as you continue to wash your hair. Alright, so I chose to do the dye on my Skunk Stripe because I knew it was lighter than my natural hair color. You can use it on darker hair colors. It's just that it might not show up unless you're in the light or like, you know, outside in the sunlight. So if you choose to lighten your hair before you use this, I would suggest you bleach your hair first, then add the semi-permanent to it, kind of like how I did. Or just get a permanent dye that you can mix developer in so that it will show up a little better. So I started off with the brush, but I always do this and realize that I just want to use my hands because it's easier to do it that way. Just make sure you wear gloves because it will dye your fingertips, your nails, and everything for at least a few days. Another thing I should have done was kind of like section it into smaller sections too, so that I can make sure it dyed all of my hair. Wait a minute. I got green hair. Okay, as you can see, my hair turned green. I was not expecting that. So to cancel out that green tone, I decided to go in with a darker blue. And so I picked the Ion Color Brilliance from the Brights collection, and it's still a semi-permanent. And I went in with the color Sky Blue. Okay, this time around, I'm going to section my hair so that I can make sure I get all that green out. All right, I hope you guys like the results. Please, if you would like to see how I did my little wash and go or my stretch wash and go, please click the link in the description box and I will show you the products that I use.